Hi everyone. So in this video I want to actually make a perfume for myself. I've been talking about this for a long time, and a couple of weeks ago I think when I was having a conversation about the workshops. Now that I have a collection, I actually thought of few ingredients that I might like. I'm gonna see how that actually works out. I will show you what are the ingredients that I've selected for this personal perfume. Let's see how that works for me. First I've selected this rose essential oil. This is rose 2. Then I have tobacco absolute. I have only a little bit. And I have this orange, which is very sweet, like a sweet orange kind of a fragrance, but it's fresh as well. Then I have sandalwood. It's a very good fragrance, works very well with any floral or musky, earthy, woody kind of a fragrance. Then I have this vanilla. So let's just jump into the making process, and we'll talk about the layers and whatnot. So to do this, you need these small sticky notes. Grab those and put it onto this other sticky note. We have enough space to write. So let's start with the rose, tobacco, hold it like this together and take a whiff. So let's start with sandalwood. Tobacco. About 6 drops of vanilla. I'm gonna add bay now. Yeah, that'll do. Once you bottle that, you can roll it on your skin and use it. Okay, this is done. It actually smells really good. I'm gonna let it sit like this in the bottle for a while in dark, so the oil kind of like blends together well. But as I use it, my skin oil, sebum, would actually get absorbed as well. No time it will develop into a very nice, personal fragrance. So yeah, this is what you get, 1 year worth of perfume. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate this, and have a good day.